In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an Australian accent in ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Australian accented voices, how to audition them, and what to look out for depending on your plan, so you can pick a voice that fits your project with confidence. First, head to the text-to-speech section inside your ElevenLabs account. This is your main workspace for turning written text into audio. You'll see a text box for your script and a control area where you choose the voice. If you're just exploring accents, it helps to paste a short sample paragraph you plan to use in your project, because using the same text makes comparing voices much easier. Keep your headphones handy and set your volume to a comfortable level so you can focus on details like clarity, warmth, and pacing. Next, open the voice menu and use the search bar to find Australian options. Type Australian accent or simply Australian and let the results load. You should see a selection of voices that are clearly labeled or tagged to reflect Australian pronunciation. If the list looks sparse, double-check that you're not filtering by a category that hides voices, and make sure the search term is spelled correctly. Results can include a range of tones, from casual and friendly to more formal and broadcast-ready. Now, audition the options using the preview button. This lets you hear a quick sample before generating full audio. Listen to several previews back-to-back and pay attention to the vowel sounds, the rhythm of the delivery, and how natural the transitions feel. If you want a more apples-to-apples comparison, keep your sample text the same across previews. You can also try a line that includes names, numbers, or brand terms you'll actually use to see how the accent handles them. Take your time here. A few extra previews now can save you from reworking audio later. Finally, be aware that some voices are available on the free plan, while others require a paid plan. ElevenLabs generally indicates this in the voice list or with a label on the preview. If a voice you love isn't included in your plan, look for a similar free alternative in the Australian results, or consider whether upgrading makes sense for your workload and deadlines. That's it. Open text-to-speech, search for Australian accent, preview a few options, and choose the one that sounds right for your script. When you're happy with your choice, generate your audio and you're good to go.